Good morning and welcome to Science. It's so good to see you. It's Wednesday, I hope, if you are watching this on the correct day. I hope that you've had a great time learning about hierarchies of organization. Within the human body, you'll have learned what bits work together in the body to make bigger bits, to make even bigger bits, to make the whole body. You'll have done some really interesting worksheets, some cutting and sticking, and today you get to learn a bit more, refresh your memory about all of those, and then I'm going to set you up with, as I've said in the handout, a little bit of a research thing to do for this lesson. Hopefully that will take 45 minutes. Actually, hopefully you'll just have started it in 45 minutes, and then tomorrow you'll finish it off. So in a sense, this video part of the lesson is fairly brief, because most of the time you will be self-directing your own learning. You get to take responsibility of choosing an organ system, of researching it, of getting excited about it, and showing that to me on paper. And I am so looking forward to getting these back in and seeing the research that you've done. Just to remind you, super quick, that you have been learning already this week, that at the very top of a hierarchy of system in the human body is an organism, like a person, like a horse, like a plant. The organism itself is at the top of that hierarchy of systems. Underneath that is an organ system. Inside the human body, there are lots of different organ systems that all work together at the same time to keep it running. Can you think of any? Hopefully the answer was yes, and you came up with a list just then. Within organ systems are collections of organs. Just like in the respiratory system, lungs are one of the organs, and there are many, many more. Inside organs are tissues. Tissues collect together to make organs, and they make the organ together work. And tissues are composed of lots and lots and lots of little cells. For example, we looked in the card sort in the worksheet that in the reproductive system, that the ovum, that the sperm cell are the smallest bits of that whole organ system. However, this week you've learned about 6 different organ systems, but there are many more. Scientists do get into discussions here about how many there actually are, but there are at least 4 that we haven't together learnt this week so far. They're on the worksheet, but I'll talk you through them again just super quick. They're the endocrine system, the integumentary system, the nervous system, and the urinary excretory system. So today, when I finish introducing this, all that I want you to do, when I say all, I want it to be a thorough and well-researched and well-presented piece of work, is to research one of those 4 different systems. I've got some pictures here just to bring this to life a little bit for you so you know what you're looking for. The endocrine system, now that's where all the hormones in the body are made. That's where things like adrenaline or insulin or the sex hormones, all of those different things get made in the body. There's the integumentary system, which is stuff like nails, hair. Now, skin is sometimes classed as part of this system. Hooves in animals with hooves, that's part of that system. There's the nervous system, where the brain is one of the key organs there. And yeah, that goes all the way through the body, through the spinal cord. That's the nervous system. And then, maybe least pleasant, the urinary excretory system. How does the body collect waste and get rid of waste? So, all that I'd like you to do, please, is spend this lesson, and then tomorrow you're going to have the same lesson time for quite a fun crossword. I think it's quite fun. Other people enjoyed it in the centre this week, where I'm filming now. Oh yeah, hello from TLG West London. And get yourself some research, whether that's some technology, whether that is some books you can find, whether that's even notes that you remember from here or from other schools that you've been to. And take your A3 piece of paper, which you will have found in your pack, I hope, and produce a detailed piece of work, like a poster, about one of those 4 organ systems. So just to recap, what is its hierarchy of system? I'd like at least one really good detailed diagram in there. How is it organized? What's the hierarchy? What's one really important organ? Can you find one that you think I might not have heard of before, that you didn't hear of before? And that's all that I want you to do today and what you have left of tomorrow's lesson. So just to recap, you could look at the endocrine system that makes the hormones. You could look at the integumentary system, which is skin, nails, hair, hooves. You can look at the nervous system. You can look at the urinary excretory system. Have a wonderful day doing that, and I will look forward to catching up with you soon.